Hey YouTube, this is Kirkus007. I am now going to be doing box number 35 of Absolute Memorabilia. I got these at a different Target. Hopefully, it's good stuff. Okay, come on. Come on. Ooh, that's fat. Okay. Two fatties. Alright. Two Mims. Oh, it's a stargazing one. Who is it? Chris Ponder. Stargazing relic. Not numbered. Second fatty, I think. Okay, yeah. Second fatty. Is of Colin Kaepernick. Colin Kaepernick. Colin Kaepernick. It's a Niner. I'm from the Bay Area, so that's cool. Alright. Any other numbered ones? That would be a nice one. Oh, crap. Ah. Base. We have another first one. Wes Walker Absolute Heroes. Not numbered. Oh. Gridiron Force, Charles Woodson. Not numbered. Well, it kind of feels thicker. Not saying that there's anything in it. I'm just saying it kind of feels thicker. And there's probably nothing in it because you would see something. Or I would anyway. Spectrum Mac Castle. Red one, so it's probably not numbered. Yep. Last pack. And oh, a blue one. Wes Welker. I don't know if this one's numbered. It is. 64 of 100. So that was pretty cool. 64 of. Hang on, let me see if I can. 64 of 100-ish. Okay. So, anyway, that one was probably better than the last one. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, and I will subscribe to you as well. Oh, sorry. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.